Today at Spotify Camp Nou, every zone delivered. Radial beam 13 placed on both sides, the lateral diamond being concreted, LED lighting going into the ceramic slats, and the logistical floor back in action after 2 months. Here is the full breakdown. At the lateral zone, the LED lighting installation is now confirmed active on the ceramic slats. Black LED spotlights fitted between each pair of slats, with 14 confirmed in place today. The green cabling seen running along the cantilever face in recent weeks is confirmed connected directly to this lighting system. When this stadium is lit up at night, it is going to look completely different to anything seen before, and seeing the first lights going in today is the earliest sign of what is coming. The lateral diamond concreting began today. Concrete pump confirmed active and pointing directly at the diamond walls, with the vibrator being used to compact the mix and eliminate air pockets during the pour. Both interior and exterior formwork panels confirmed in place. The speed of progress here from reinforcement bars to formwork to concreting has been genuinely impressive. Ceramic slat installation, LED lighting, compression ring advancement, and diamond concreting all happening simultaneously in the lateral today. At the South Goal Zone, guide wire installation is confirmed active in the false ceiling section, with workers actively aligning anchor points across the sector. This is the final step before slat installation can begin here, and seeing it active today confirms this zone is very close. Pillar 13 was also confirmed placed this morning, with radial beam 13 following shortly after. A new Cimbra was also lifted by the TC3 crane tower to the upper South Goal Zone today, with the ULMA teams assembling additional structures on the ground simultaneously. The collaborating steel deck sheet process also resumed in the South Goal area today. Workers confirmed placing the galvanized panels on the intermediate logistical floor slab, a phase that had been paused for close to 2 months. Seeing it restart confirms the third-tier interior preparation is being pushed forward again, with concrete block wall construction for bathrooms and hospitality spaces also active in this zone. At the North Goal Zone, radial beam 13 was confirmed placed today, pushing both goal zones to the exact same structural point simultaneously. The painter was also confirmed active, applying the final protective coat to beam surfaces and pernos ahead of slat installation. With painting now underway, the slat installation sequence in the north goal corner is very close. Guide wire preparation is also active in the adjacent sector, confirming multiple north goal sections are being prepared at the same time. At the tribune zone, superstructure installation continued with workers active on platforms in the central section. Sandwich panels are staged nearby for the mobility nucleus, with the right side nucleus still waiting to begin its panel sequence. Tube installation work along the cantilever face also continuing steadily across this zone today. At the third tier, the joint ceiling phase is continuing with workers confirmed active across the tribune and curve sections, applying the sealant compound between seating slab joints. Seating steps are distributed around the circuit in their approximate positions ahead of final fixing. That is everything from today. LED lights going in on the slats, diamond concreting confirmed, radial beam 13 placed on both sides, the logistical floor back in action, third-tier ceiling continuing, and 2 box lifts expected tomorrow. Drop a comment, hit like, and subscribe. See you next time.